I want my friends, my male friends, to understand this because it is a very important relationship problem. Where if your spouse or your significant other, whatever, is having these issues, you got to understand what's going on here. This is not about, you don't want to
If only we had the other camera on right now because you can see how uncomfortable the men are and how smiling the women are. Growing,
they're not
right?
comfortable.
Look at the women; they're all smiling.
No, the guys are hip to the technique. They want to know how you can make your significant other or your wife better. How you can give them and see the signs. Because a lot of guys will turn around and say, "Oh, you don't want me to touch you. You don't want to do this, you don't want to do that, you don't have a relationship because you just don't understand what's going on physically."
But acupuncture helps regulate so many of these hormones.
Yeah, so acupuncture can slow down this declining of estrogen and progesterone. So when it goes down slowly, then your body have to wait to adjust. Like if you do an animal experiment, then you cut the connection between different brain part. If you gradually cut slowly every day, then the animal can survive. But if you suddenly cut, then the animal die. For us, the same thing. If we want to keep the skin, keep the muscle not drooping, you just slowly, you use tofu, you use raspberry leaf tea, and you use wheatgrass, you use acupuncture to help to bring energy.
And most guys will die.
Yeah, ovarian function.
Maca's good, I heard. Very good, too.
A what?
As far
Maca.
as
Yeah,
maca.
maca.
The
Yeah.
The hell is a
fruit
maca?
Grounded with in some coffee, I heard
Like
it,
a tea.
it helps women
It's
get
an
more...
an herb. It's
Yeah, the phytoestrogen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For women.
Yeah.
And you also work with herbs.
Yes, the herbs can help to enhance, slow down the declining of the ovarian function and also strengthen the adrenal gland because eventually ovarian function declining and you have less estrogen, progesterone or no progesterone, but adrenal gland can produce a little bit. So if you lower your stress with acupuncture, meditation, and qigong, and then your adrenal gland can produce a little bit of hormones, and that really helping us to keep the muscle tone, the skin. Yeah.